drag speed, isn't it? Yeah, it's really a good fish on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Came out my damn slide.
Yes, sir, boy.
On max drag.
I told you them bulls out here ain't no joke, bro. You might have a hammerhead, dude. That ain't no lemon shark, huh?
That's for sure.
I think you can stop him, bro. Oh, shoot.
Oh, hook just pulled where he's coming towards it.
You're good, dude. Yeah, you got him, bro. He must be bigger than 50 pounds.
Yeah, real shit.
I think you got a stud, dude. Dude! That's like a fucking... Bro!
Fuck.
There you go, that's good. That's real good.
Oh my lord, that thing is so fucking tiny. Jesus Christ.
You don't look that small in the video. He's fighting like a spinner. Right there.
For real, he's fucking good.
Our first fish of the night. Second fish of the night. Got Cole releasing a little nurse shark he caught.
One more time.
There she goes.